Hello! Welcome to my kitchen with an accent. Today we are cooking the easiest but really nutritious and refreshing Russian summer soup that is called Okroshka. For this cold soup we will need a really simple set of ingredients: boiled potato, cucumber, one boiled egg, any kind of meat or sausages, dill and parsley, sour cream, pinch of salt, and kvass. All we need to do is just cut all ingredients and mix them. Let's start from chopping dill and parsley. Then cut 70 grams of cucumber. Now dice 50 grams of any meat you like. This time I'm using boiled chicken fillet, but the beef or pork, either boiled, roasted or smoked, or even sausages will be also fine. Then cut the same way, firstly 50 grams of the potato and then one egg. Add salt to your taste and pour 200 ml of the kvass into the salad. The last but not least, add 20 grams of the sour cream in the okroshka in order to balance tastes. Although this Russian cold soup seems to be really weird, it is indeed worth cooking. Try it and share your impressions in comments. Приятного аппетита!